Morning, it's Thursday. I'm on my front porch and the wind's picking up. Oh, poor kitty cat's scared. Hi, buddy. Oh, you better go back. Here comes the wind again. Oh my God. It's crazy. Look at this. Yes, so our power went out this morning. And, yeah. But we are safe from the fires, so I'm glad about that. Thinking about everybody that's in their danger zone right now. Stay safe. We had a scary time a couple days ago. We thought we might have to evacuate, but we're still here, thank goodness. Keep you guys. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my God. Yes, we got trash blowing in from other people's yards. Well, I'm going to go back inside and get ready to go to the lab today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye.